Okay, we marked our spots for the teeth. We've marked for our eyes. We've cut this out for our mouth and rounded it down. So that's going to go in there like that. I'm going to take this small diamond bit and we're going to cut our grooves for our teeth. We've got that cut out. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our holes for our eyes. I'm going to use this to start it with. Now we have our where we want to put our eyes. So we're going to work on the outside and the inside. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page and like on the video. I'd appreciate it. There's a couple things we're going to have to do here. This is going to have to get cut out off the end of this, so we'll be able to put our neck pieces in. We're also going to take some of this out in here so our string doesn't catch on anything. Then on the inside, I'm going to take some of this out in here for our eyes, and then some of this out down here where our spring will go up and it to attach to the top of the head. So we're going to start on the inside by cutting some of this out. And I'll be using my cutting wheel with this one. So we're going to work on that, and then we'll come back and show you what we got. Thanks for watching.